A colorful and a shouty design is not always the best today. You can now create a powerful design with the dual color design concept that is trending now. This can even be more easier when you have the right approach and concept. Follow me as we get into it right away. Designing with one or two colors can be boring. Some people say it sucks. Well, the only way you can create a design template that is appealing with just one or two colors is by applying what is called contrast. Contrast gives your work a sense of variety and uniqueness. You can apply contrast in your design in so many ways, maybe color, size, shapes, typography, or orientation. The goal is to make your two-color design beautiful as well as unique. Some people call it one-color design, but this can only be true when the first or the second color is white. This is common with most printers because white does not print a color. Although recently we have some white ink printers, but that's a topic for another day. So there are many types of contrast that people normally apply in their two-color design. But the five majorly and mostly used ones, which I'm going to explain now, are the color contrast, the size contrast, the shape contrast, and typography contrast, even orientation contrast. So you don't have to apply all these contrasts in a single design. It depends on the concept you have in mind, so you don't turn your work into a battlefield. In color contrast, there are many ways you can contrast the two colors you're working with, but the three major ones are the fill, the outline, and the counter fill. So for the fill, we color the text or object directly with the second color or the other color we're working with. So for the outline, we color just the outline. For the counter fill, we create a counter background for the text or object first before coloring it. Let me show you what I mean. We can also make use of shading and tinting, although some people doesn't refer it as two-color design. Maybe it is too complex to be. Size contrast is all about altering the sizes of the shapes and text you have in your design. We normally do this in order to reduce monotony in the design or maybe boring content. We also use it to create a kind of focal points in the information in our design. So this is an example of size contrast. So the next one is shape contrast. We normally apply this one when we are making use of concepts that involves geometric shapes. So since we are designing with two colors, sticking with just two shapes would make sense. And we create a kind of mosaic impression. It's also important to know that shapes have their best matches, but that is topic for another day. Typographic contrast is just as simple as combining two or more typefaces in your design, but you have to be artistic in choosing the best complementary typeface for your design. Example, using a bold sans serif typeface with a narrow cursive or script, as well as narrow serif or sans serif and a bold serif or sans serif typeface. So a very bad combination can mess up the whole job. In orientation contrast, all we do is to alter the arrangements, the orientation of some of the elements in the design in order not to have that boring and amateur look. You can choose to write vertically or slanted. You can choose to space out text or overlap. You can choose to stretch, rotate, flip, mirror, curve, break, and do a whole lot of things with it. Can't even break the rule. Who cares? So in orientation, you just need to play around with the objects and text in kind of conformation and in their orientation to achieve a very nice look. So we're going to use all this knowledge now to create a design template so you can see how it works. So assuming we want to create a happy new month template for a client or a friend. So I choose to go with orange and black, and I choose to go with orange and black. You can go with any color of your choice, but I think orange and black makes sense. Yeah, I think it did. So let's go and go nowhere. So finally guys, this is what we got with just two colors. Just two colors. That's wonderful. And one interesting thing about this one or two color design is that you don't have to waste your time battling with colors and font that will match each other and so on. Because you just have the two colors already and just have the pair of fonts already to work with. So you just contrast them to get what you want. Very fast and easy. So you can do it, it's pretty simple. All you need to do is to master how to contrast and you are good to go. You can use this to create many other designs, templates, whether for birthdays and business brand and even UI and website. Check my other videos on my channel and for other insights on graphic design. And let me know on the comment section what you would love me to do next. And finally, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification for more insights, for more moving ideas in graphic design. Alright fams, until next time, bye. Bye for now. Oh, I forgot to wear my cap today. Oh my god.